In this video, friends, I will show with you how to get Jomashop discount. So friends, this is the website. If you want to get discount, follow me in this guide. First of all, first go to Google, search for Joma coupon codes, and then you see these two websites, guys. I use a lot of these two websites, like Coupon Follow. This good website, guys. You can discount and you can save your money. Just click show codes and then copy your codes from here, or you can redeem at this website. This is unique codes, guys, you can use to save money. And this is a lot of coupon codes. This, like this one, you can save up to 7%, 500 off, 1% cash back, $200. This is a coupon for free delivery. This is up to extra $10 for order up to $300. So guys, this is good website. Also I use this website, Retail Me Not, this good website. Just click show codes and then you can redeem this coupon codes and discount. Just click copy, guys, and then you can start using these codes. So guys, anyway, this is all the website is working, the coupon codes. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.